Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to manage your time on Facebook. Moreover, you can set a schedule time or quiet mode in Facebook. In this video I will tell you all the things in details. For this you have to click on settings. After that you have to go to your time on Facebook if you want to check how much time you spend on Facebook. As you can see in the video, you can check that how much time you spend on Facebook on which days. The graph is showing how much time you spend on Facebook day by day. Moreover, you can also set a schedule or quiet mode so that if you want to sleep at 10 a.m. and you want Facebook tell you that it's 10 a.m. and you have to sleep now, then you can set a time for the quiet mode so that Facebook will automatically turn off and you can easily go to sleep, as you can see in the video. Moreover, you can also explore many options in this function, as you can see in the video. You can set different days and times for quiet mode. Moreover, you can set a time reminder for example, you want to turn off the Facebook at a specific time, then you can set a time reminder and Facebook will tell you that it's time to quiet the Facebook and do other things or go to sleep. Moreover, you can set the new feed preference in this function also. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our latest videos. As you can see, you can set the newsfeed preference and follow and unfollow and snooze time for the Facebook. Thank you.